With spring coming, my wife asked me to prepare her bike, and she went for a ride. Sadly, she complained that this Shimano Ultegra front derailleur just failed to change gears, and she could depress either of the two levers fully towards the inside of the bike, yet it just wouldn't engage anything inside. It would just move freely without any resistance whatsoever. So the solutions are two. One, you take it to the repair shop for $100, $150 supposedly, take it all apart and clean it, or you use the good old WD-40. What you actually need to do is depress I had to take the boot off first. You depress the brake and then squirt it liberally anywhere you can find, from there and also from the bottom. You know, you can, from any angle, from both sides. You just spray inside for a good few seconds, you know, like 20, 30 seconds. You basically have to flood it. Well, I tried it again, didn't work. So I went to replace the nozzle, my WD-40, because I thought it was a bit clogged up and just wouldn't achieve any appreciable result. So when I came back, I grabbed the mechanism and levers, and you see now they work just fine. So not just cleaning, but give it some time for the WD-40 to penetrate and dissolve the old grease. And then after I finished, in the same manner, I had some silicone spray, so I sprayed it to lubricate it a bit, and now it works fine. So I've already done the second one, the rear one as well, just to give it a bit of spring service. So instead of paying big money, you can just flood it, but give it some time for the WD-40 to penetrate and dissolve the old grease, because that is all that needs to be done. Thank you. Bye.